Welcome everybody to the fun part. We've got our CAE shifter all unpacked. Here's all the parts we're going to be using. We have our installation instructions, and I also found a PDF on the installation of the selector rod, so you'll get a benefit from that too. So first, let's get oriented. On the shift lever, you have the lower rotating assembly. This is going to connect to the selector rod. There's a set screw and a nut on it. Then you'll notice there's a small wire. This small wire goes through the set screw. This acts as a safety wire to make sure that this lower rotating assembly never falls off. If it did fall off, it would cause damage, you wouldn't be able to shift, and you'd be having a bad day. Pay attention to this screw because you're going to see it frequently in our videos. It comes set from factory to have perfect rotatability. So when you're messing with it, you don't want to mess with the set screw too much. This assembly has to rotate. Over here, you have your mounting plate. You'll notice this is the side that goes up. This rubber boot will be on the shift lever and will actually pop over this lip to make a nice seal. Right here, you have your pin that's going to go in the lower rotating assembly and through the fork of the selector rod. You'll also notice in your shift lever a little hole. That's going to be used for lubrication. If you flip over your gear shift, you'll notice a hex key inside. That's going to be your adjustment bolt for centering it and for third and fourth gear. Very important, so even when it's installed, you want to have access to it. A really important piece is the CAE selector rod. It comes with new spring clips and a few other parts. The reason this is so important is because it's engineered to work with a CAE shifter. A lot of people opt to just use the stock selector rod. However, it's not going to be optimal. You do it right and get the correct selector rod that it's engineered to work with, you'll be much happier with the way it performs and adjusts. The trick thing about this CAE selector rod is actually adjustable, and the one for the E46 can be adjusted from 125 to 160 millimeters. It's the extra small. If you're enjoying the video so far, please use the links in the description when it's time to purchase parts for your car. Not sure what you need? Visit our webpage and you'll have access to categorized parts lists with instructional videos for your project. In doing so, you're supporting those who support Fatboys Garage. It's a quick, easy way to help us continue to create quality content that is going to help you with your own projects. We love our cars, and we only use the best parts, which are the ones we recommend to you. We chose our supplier because of their amazing customer support, and we are confident you'll be well taken care of by them. A few pieces that you might need from your stock selector rod are going to be this pin that pops right in that hole, and this spring clip that also retains that. And we're going to show you how to install all of this shortly. The selector rod bushing. Now this bushing happens to be foam, and the whole point of using this bushing, it takes out vibrations from the selector rod, and two, it actually works to retain oil and keep the system more lubricated. So what you'll do is lubricate it with your Worth HHS Plus. This is a high quality lubricant that CAE recommends. So